shit. What's up? Oh! I can smell you. That's enough of that. What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys have been enjoying your day or your night, whatever it is for you guys right now. The plan is for today's video to quickly wash my car because I haven't given it a wash in nearly a month. So I'm going to give my car a wash and then I'm going to get my camera and we're going to drive up to this really cool spot. I hope it's going to be really cool. I'm going to go get some photos there and do a kind of little POV thing like I did in my sunset one. If you guys have been following along with my videos, you'll know that the house I'm living in isn't really the best. As you can see, it looks like something out of a horror movie. But this part's good. All this part is all unbuilt, but then you come in here and it's all like brand new. So this is where I'm living if you guys don't know. It's been alright, been used to it. I can't wait till this is all done out here. So follow along with the videos if you guys want to continue seeing the progress. There's literally going to be an upstairs right there, which would be so cool. And when my dad was up here working, he had this cool idea to tell us that if we get bored, we can just draw on the walls because they're going to be getting taken off anyway, the plastering on them. So I thought it'd be cool just to decorate all the walls. We call the house the Ruin, so he wrote "Welcome to the Ruin." Got some drawings. My brother broke his hand. He wrote that for some reason, but we traced out his broken hand. I got the WX logo, which is really cool. And one of them, which is really important, which I drew, is this one right here. So, as you can tell, that box has not been ticked yet because we are not at 1,000 subscribers, but we are at around 340 as of right now. I'm going to continue grinding because I know that I will hit 1,000. I just got to keep pumping out the videos and keep grinding for you guys. But right now is a good time. If you would like to, please subscribe down below. It means so much to me and it really helps me out. It gives me so much motivation and makes me feel really good. And I can't wait to hit 1,000 subscribers because we have been doing really good lately. Thank you all so much for the support on the videos. Let's just keep it up and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's get straight in to washing my car. Yoink. She looks so clean. Like, I know I'm washing it, but for not being washed in like over 3 weeks or nearly 3 weeks, it actually doesn't look that bad, but it's going to be a lot shinier after this. Okay, I've just moved the car back a little bit so I have some room and it's in the shade. Damn, it looks good. I can't get over how good it looks. Oops, got a little bit too excited there. I'm actually kind of in a rush, so it's all done washing. I just need to dry it now, but I'll dry it off camera and I'll get back to you guys soon. Just finished up with the Subi. looking really nice, especially on camera. That pearl white is looking amazing. It was kind of a rush job, it wasn't anything special. Wow, that just looks so shiny, that's so cool. So yeah, she's all washed. She is looking absolutely amazing. I'm very sorry. Should have given you one a lot sooner. Alright, I'm done washing the car. I'm going to pack away all the car wash stuff and then I'm going to go inside and get ready to leave for this location. Okay, just gonna put that in there. Got my camera equipment, got my GoPro equipment, keys, everything. Let's get on the road. Oh, she looks so good. Oh, it looks way better in person. I can't get over it, guys. I actually love this car so much. I don't think I ever want to sell it. It's pretty cold. Ignore the fact that I didn't actually wipe down these side skirts. Okay, so where we're going is if I can adjust, is a 25-minute drive away, and it's in this big tree bushy bit right here. It's just a really cool place to go chill and clear your mind, and especially go take photos. It's a really good spot for photos, and trust me, you guys will like it. And I just thought it'd be a cool video to wash my car and go take some photos and just chill with you guys. So without further ado, let's get on the road, baby. Short shifter still doing wonders, everyone. Oh, I love it. I've gotten used to it a little bit, but it's still way better than what I had before. Oh, I didn't realize I was leaving in the busy hour. There's too much traffic, I hate this. Hey, it's a Subi. Off he goes. I actually love this part of the city. I love this road. I love this massive grass area. All the buildings in the background. It's actually so cool. And the river right there. Bruh, this shit is so confusing. There's people going that way, this way, that way, and there's a fucking traffic light with bloody 9 circles on it. Look at all these NPCs, bro. Just living their lives. Bro, look at this 180. Damn. Oh no, I was supposed to turn there. Oh, I fucked up, guys. Shit. Don't worry, I fixed it. We can turn here. All good. And it is a fancy area, so you do see cars like that one right there. Alright guys, we made it. Here's the spot. Oh, I didn't think it'd be this busy. Oh, it's annoying. You have to pay to park here, but technically I'm not going to be here for that long, so we don't have to tell anyone. But this parking spot that I do want isn't taken, so it kind of sucks that there's other cars here, but it's all good. We'll just have to make do with what we got. All right, so you can turn it off. I'll just quickly give you guys a little tour of the place. So this is the place we've got. It is actually amazing. I'm gonna get the camera out and start taking some photos right now. Okay guys, I'm done with all the photos. Hope that looked good. Can we just take a second to appreciate how good these lights look? They are one of my favorite things on the car. And not just those, but also the front. Actually looks so cool. Whew. So yeah, technically actually meant to pay, but screw that. I'm only here for a little bit to take photos, and look at this cool little bay. Just got your bay all to yourself. I'm sorry for my terrible parking. I was doing it one-handed, but this is such a cool spot, guys. Let's give you guys a quick flip check. Got to keep it interesting, you know. Backflip. Gosh guys, it's an Evo. Did you see that? I hope my camera could zoom in enough. Fucking Evo just drove past, what? So I'm all done at this place now. I should probably get out of here before someone comes, or I don't know what happens, how that all works, but I haven't paid, so I should probably not stay here too long. So I'm a dip. Alright guys, I've just pulled over to the side of the road, so I'm out of that car park. I'm gonna go home now, and I'll talk to you guys when I'm back at home. Hope you guys enjoyed that little segment of the video. See you soon. I'm back home now. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was super fun to make, and I had a really fun time. So yeah, it's going to be the end. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe down below, and hit the post notifications button, the little bell next to the subscribe button. And guys, don't forget, we got to tick this off, so let's smash it. Share it around guys, share the channel. Really hope you enjoyed. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.